Okay, so today I'm just going to talk to you about the food processor and the blender. We've bought the style that the food processor and the blender both fit on the same base. So once you've got your base, your food processor set up with all your food in it, basically if you put it on with the handle at about 4 o'clock and spin it round until it clicks in, so the handle should be over this dial. When that handle is over the dial, everything will line up. So if it's not, it won't quite fit and it won't start. Okay? So handle to the front. So safety for this, before that starts, make sure the only thing that is in there are the blades and what you prepare to process. Okay, what has happened in the past is spoons or pieces of plastic have accidentally dropped in the lid. We've put food in there and it hasn't been checked, and the food starts turning and then there's a metal spoon in there and it causes lots of damage. Okay, so always check what is in there. Our lid, same thing, just put on and twist it till it locks in. There's 2 arrows here that lock and align. You can see them. Once they line up, everything is right to go. Okay, if you're pushing food in through the top, use the pusher. Okay, that enables food to go in without your fingers going down into that danger zone. Alright, then the blender, same thing, handle to the front, make sure this lid is on. Okay, a little pop lid in there, twist that. Same safety rules, always check that that is empty of any foreign objects before you turn it on. If you're using that for hot liquid, okay, just use the pulse, okay, because what that does when you use hot liquid, it forces steam out of the liquid straight away and it'll pop hot liquid out of the top and the steam can't even pop that lid off. So ideally let your liquids cool to start with and then just little pulses until that steam has come out and then you can turn it on. With the blenders, only once the lid is on, don't add anything else to it. Lid on, turn it on, keep the lid closed until it's stopped.